A hospital visit can be overwhelming for an adult, let alone a child. The waiting, uncertainty, unfamiliar rooms, sounds, and faces, it's scary. CHRISTUS Children's Hospital in San Antonio, Texas is an organization dedicated to healing the body and the soul. And the team at The Virtual Wild jumped at the chance to partner with them and craft a digital experience to do just that. Some studies show gaming can have an impact on health outcomes and even reduce pain scores in patients. Every smile and giggle can make an impact on the healing journey. So we would make the smiles and giggles abound by turning the hospital journey into an interactive adventure. A gaming world that is a digital extension to the healing work that CHRISTUS is already doing. Their amazing Pediatrics program quickly became an inspiration. Marcus and Jamie were a source of comfort and warmth as they traveled the halls of the hospital and would be the perfect ambassador for our game. Patients lose a lot of control in the hospital environment, so we give them back some of that control and autonomy as they customize their own puppy avatar, explore an exciting world, meet the real-life puppies digitized, find bones that fill up their happiness meter, complete exciting tasks, and restore their own pup's health, encouraging their own health restoration and connections. And that exciting world, it was directly inspired by the hospital. Landmarks, murals, nearby buildings and parks, and lots of the small details made the game board a way to explore the hospital in a safe but fun way. So the real-world hospital would come to feel like a comfortable stop on their healing journey. A fun way to make the uncertainty and the unfamiliar rooms, sounds, and faces a lot less scary. The game also introduced your own med kit, which would educate about medical tools our little heroes may encounter in their stay at the hospital. Once again, easing anxieties within their real-life hospital stay. A fun minigame added another engaging tangent, and also opened up the app for easy future expansion and growth. The UI was thoughtfully designed for patients' varying accessibility needs. A simple joystick and tapping action allowed for minimal physical movement to control the experience while still being engaging and fun. All the puzzle pieces and ideas fell into place to make this more than a game. It's a tool to support staff with their mission of healing, and an experience to ease anxiety, educate, and bring familiarity, comfort, and smiles for patients and families during their healing journeys. The Virtual Wild, igniting healing experiences.